morning students. Today we are going to understand sum number 20 from cash flow statement. Sum number 20 from the following information. Calculate cash flow from financing activities. First of all, purchase of land. It is a investing activity, so we will not record it here. Equity share issued. Due to equity share issued 1,45,000, cash flow increases, so we will add it. Equity share issued 1,45,000. Next, redemption of preference shares 60,000. Due to redemption of preference shares, cash flow decreases, so we will deduct it. Less redemption of preference shares 60,000. Next, redemption of debentures 70,000. It also decreases the cash flow, so redemption of debentures we will less or deduct debentures 70,000. Next, borrowed bank loan. It increase the cash flow 90,000, so we will add it. Borrowed bank loan 90,000. Next, debenture interest paid. It decrease the cash flow by 6,000, so we will decrease it. Less debenture interest paid 6,000. Next, dividend paid. It also decrease the cash flow, so we will deduct it by 8,000. Dividend paid 8,000. Next, dividend interest received. It will not be recorded in financing activities because it is operating activities. Sale of furniture will not be recorded because it is investing activities. Purchase of machine also not be recorded because it is investing activities. Interest received on investments will not be recorded in financing activities because it is investing activities. Paid for patents will not be recorded here because it is also an investing activity. So necessary entries will be posted. Then we will make the total 1,45,000 plus 90,000. We will get 2,35,000. 60,000 plus 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000. We will get 1,44,000. And 1,44,000 will be deducted from 2,35,000 and we will get 91,000. Then we get net cash flow from financing activities. स्टूडेंट्स इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 20. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.